In this video, we're going to talk about and I will teach you how to set up an automatic welcome message so you never leave a potential customer hanging. We all know that speed is everything in TikTok, so if someone messages your shop and you're asleep or busy packing orders, they'll probably just go buy it from someone else. But did you know that you can have a virtual assistant running for free inside the seller center? I'm going to walk you through the chat management settings and show you how to craft a welcome message that feels friendly and real and not like a robot. We're also going to set up FAQ cards, which are those little button customers can click to get instant answers about shipping or sizing. This doesn't just help your sales, it keeps your chat response high, which is a huge factor in your overall seller rating. Let's get your shop talking to your customers even when you aren't. So to first start it, you first need to head over right here into your TikTok Shop Seller Center. Just proceed to log in from there by going to seller.tiktok.com, log into your TikTok, or log into your email, Facebook, Google, and other social sign-in options. Once you're inside the Seller Center, proceed to click right here into this customer messages. Once you click on that, it will open right here a new tab wherein you can see the navigation to this. So if it's your first time opening it, you can see it right here. We have the new messages available. You can view these details. And this is the automated updates and the likes. Now, if it's your first time opening it, you can proceed to actually see this setup. So click onto this setup now for the automation tools. Click onto this and you can see right here how they work. So as you can see, there are some cards, there are some automated replies, and automated updates. Let's first try to open this automated greetings. Click on this try it now. Now in here you can see this greetings with FAQ as well as automated replies. Make sure to click onto this bar right here or this toggle in order to turn it on. If it's gray, that means it's not turned on, but when you click on it and it's green, that means it's been turned on. It will also save automatically, so no need to click on the save option. Now, we first need to click onto these settings right here. Once you click on this, you can see this. This is always on and activates when customer initiates the chat. As you can see, here is a preview of that. Thank you for getting in touch. How may I help you today? So for example, let's just edit it right here. You can click on this edit icon under the message content. Click on that. And then let's input right here. Let's welcome to our shop. If there's anything that I can help you with, just send it here. So with that, we now have a welcome greeting. Once you're done with this, head over and click on save. Do take note that you can actually send up to 200 characters. Click on save right here. Now you can also add an FAQ, which is an auto select, such as how can I order, when will it deliver, still haven't received, or you can use custom selection. If you choose custom selection, you can see right here some options or some options that you can use, such as when can I get a refund, as well as product as an issue, feedback, return, and also tracking. You can head over and click on confirm. You can select up to 5, and you can see its preview right here already. As you can see, you can explore this tool according to what you want, and once you're done everything with this, you can head over and close this. Now for this case, you can also head over and then add your own automation for this case. You can head over and add automated replies such as chatbots. Click on this settings. As you can see right here, this, make sure the chatbot is always on and activates when it's receiving pre-purchase inquiries. You can also activate it using logistics as well as post-purchase inquiries. When you hover to this, you can see how it will respond. You can see it right here. And you can edit the message content because responses are based on the knowledge base. You can head over and see it right here. Now let's head over and close this. You can also edit the automated replies for the reply recommendations. Head over and click on the settings option that we can see right here. Now, for example, you need to turn it on right here. Now, this activates when the question matches the knowledge base and what you type match the knowledge base. So recommendations are based on your saved replies and auto reply based on recommendation. Make sure to turn this on. So this learns according to the knowledge that you feed it into. So on the first space, you might need to reply to customers' query yourself. And by the time it learns, it should be able to reply by itself. So do take note of that particular option as well. So head over and close this. Now from in there, you can also see in here automated updates such as order confirmation, order cancellation, order shipped, as well as logistics issue, out for delivery, order delayed, and order delivered. So you have the option to turn on which you want to turn on and turn off others as well. Now that we have created the automation tool, let's head back right here. As you can see, you can make great first impression with auto greetings as well. Head over and click on setup. And for these greetings, you can head over and then choose right here how you want it. You can see right here the answer. You can actually move it around and see which one is gonna be the first. So let's move it around like this. And then as you can see, it will auto update according to how we positioned it. So as you can see right here, you can head over and close it. Make sure it's turned on. And then when you head over to your knowledge base, you can head over and add right here your FAQ. You can edit the answers for this, edit it according to your liking. Make sure that it's only below 1,000 characters. And once you're done with that, you can head over and save. You also have the option to upload pictures. So head over and click onto this upload. You can also add links, variables, and links. Once you're done, you can head over and save this right here according to your liking. You can see all the knowledge base for pre-purchase, logistics, after sales, and the likes. Once you head over back, you can see that we have now set it up. You can now set up your team and check your shop performance after everything else. All of the chats that's sent to you will be shown right here as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need.